Hello, welcome back to the next tutorial in the installment. In this one I'm going to show you how to combine music with your film footage. So to start with, we will import. So I'm going to do clip 1 separately as before, and so this here is the MP3 that I converted from YouTube. So I downloaded it and then I saved it into the same folder as my film clips. And so I'm going to import clip 2 and the music as well at the same time. And on clip 1 I'm going to right click and make a new sequence from the clip, and then I'm going to move clip 2 behind it. And then to get the music in, I'm going to click on this little icon here and go to adjustment layer, and then I'm going to drag in the music into this layer here underneath. Okay, so if I play it now, so at the minute all the song and the film clips are completely unedited. Now I know I want to get rid of the first 5 seconds or so of the song, because I don't want that at all. So the first thing I need to do is to go to my razor, click on the appropriate layer, which is the song layer, and I know that it's at 5:10. So what you can do is you get to the nearest one here, 5:7, then use this little button here to just move it along one little frame. Then I'm going to crop that, go under my arrow, click it so it's white, and backspace. So that's the first 5 seconds of that song gone, and now I need to move the song along. I might just leave it a little bit so it doesn't quite start at the same time. And then there is a definite kind of key change to the song, which is around, I think it's around about 15 seconds or so. So we need to find that out and make a note of it. There. Okay, so what I want to do is move clip 2 so it starts at exactly the same time as there's a kind of a change in the music. So it's going to move clip 2 to there, but now we've got a gap here. So what I was thinking, we could just no, we can't. Okay, so what we can do then is copy and paste a section of this and have it running in reverse all the way to here. So if I go to crop here and maybe, I'm trying to guess, here, arrow and click, and right click and copy, and paste, and then move back along. So let's have a look. We'll move back here. There we go. So we need to just move that up to here. Move that up to here. Okay, so now that is just a copy version of this. So if you just click on it, right click, speed and duration, we can slow it right down to say 20% and reverse it. So let's see if we go back to the start. I'm hoping that the change in music will coincide with the change in filming, but you have to go back and and look at it, and if it's not quite right, change it. But that's depending on how much time you have. So let's have a look. Okay, it's not too bad, but I think this could be a bit slightly different. So what I think I might do is make this clip here black and white. So what I need to do is go and do another adjustment layer. Go to Effects, Lumetri presets, click on that, monochrome, maybe go for an old kind of faded look as opposed to a kind of more modern contrasty look. So I might go for something like this and just drag it into just that little section there. Okay, so that is very, very basic kind of film editing that coincides with music. I mean, I could go back and get the switch over from the different films and the change in tempo and music spot on. I don't think, I mean, I think I'm a couple of maybe half a second out, but then it would be going back over and making sure that you hit it dead on. But hopefully that's given you, enough of a basic idea to be able to, experiment with your own filming and then experiment with combining that with music. Okay, and then that's the end of this tutorial.